Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to crochet the single crochet stitch which foundation single crochet stitch. So let's get started with a simple slip knot. Okay, after slip knot I'll make the two chains. Pull the yarn from the first chain. Now second chain. Now I'll put the hook in the first stitch like this. Okay, now pull the yarn over, pull the yarn from the single loop. Now pull the yarn from the two loops. So now again from the previous stitch I will insert the hook from the previous stitch and pull the yarn like this. We have the two loops. Now we will pull the yarn from one loop. Now pull the yarn from the two loops. Again from the previous stitch we'll put our hook and pull the yarn from the two loops, and now from the one loop, now from the two loops, repeating the same procedure. We'll make the foundation single crochet. We'll make the foundation without chain. Okay, it's so easy and interesting. Hope you will enjoy. Please comment, like this. Yarn over from first loop and from the two loops. Okay, please do like, share and subscribe so you can see the sample for the foundation single crochet is ready.